Welcome to day 5 of the Masterclass in bread baking, where we're got Scout. Our Scout is snowed in. So today we are making
Koeksisters.
Koeksisters. What is a Koeksister?
South African treat.
It's a South African sweet treat. Excited about this. All right, so here's the syrup. It's got sugar and water and looks like a cinnamon sticks. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else?
Lemon juice,
Lemon
cream
juice.
of tartar.
Cream of what?
Tartar.
Cream of tartar. Okay. So we're gonna put, is that the syrup? Put the syrup out in the cold to let it cool.
In the refrigerator.
Has to rest in the refrigerator, the dough. So you're gonna wrap it with saran wrap. Okay.
Just a couple of hours. Take a little cold bath nap. There you go. About 1 centimeter thick.
Okay, so this is where the real delicate, tedious part takes place, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're into little braids, right?
No, we're cutting it into strips and making the braids. Gonna find out if it wasn't.
Okay, right. It looks awesome. So once they're done here, they go over here and get dipped in the syrup. And then when they're done there, they get put on the rack to drain and dry. Okay, we are filling the racks up here. So you're still cooking over there, dipping here, and then racking here.